Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Cancers. So these are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards first. We have the Hangman in reverse, Nine of Pentacles, and Six of Cups in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Cancers, it may be in your work situation or it may be in this relationship. You are maybe happy about the way things are going today in your love situation or in your work. Happy for the offers you are getting in your work, opportunities that are reaching you, and you may see some expected returns in your work, and things are maybe certain things which were supposed to reach you in a later date. All the results are reaching you beforehand, so some kind of quick changes or something reaching you before the expected timeline. So you are happy for those changes happening so soon without you making a lot of effort. And maybe for some of you, you may be getting gifts from someone from your family, maybe your siblings, maybe older siblings, or some aunts, uncles, someone from your, it may be a distant relative who is gifting you. So something gives you happiness and satisfaction in some ways, guys. And I also see maybe you feel that it may be your energy or your person's energy, guys. Maybe you feel that this person is quite selfish. They are not concerned about you and they are making some decisions without asking you or thinking about your expectation or your dreams. So you feel that they are selfish in some ways, or maybe they feel you are selfish in some ways. So if that is the case, Cancers, maybe you are dealing with the Capricorn, guys, Cancers. If that is the case, Cancers, you need to talk freely. Maybe if you feel that they are selfish and they are not having both of your welfare in their heart, you need to talk to them and communicate what you truly feel today, guys, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So what is the energy with this card? We have Two of Wands in reverse. So with this card, I see that there is some kind of a surprise waiting for you guys. Maybe they are acting this way to surprise you. Maybe they are planning something and they are going to surprise you. Maybe they are going to throw you the question of marriage or commitment. So that is what I see, guys, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Page of Cups in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, maybe there may be a lot of obstacles you are seeing in your work situation, but you will be able to overcome that, guys, because you will realize what is wrong. Maybe somebody has tricked you or somebody has not told you the truth about something, so you will realize the circumstance and you are coming out of the difficult situation, Cancers. So that is the reading with these cards, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, the second card. Let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. It's a Crystal Spirits card here, guys, we have. And it is Pesartin Garnet. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in this relationship or in your circumstance today, you have some kind of fear or something is holding you back from showing the other person what you truly are. And you are trying hard, maybe, to make people like you. But you need to understand that the person who is your perfect match, who is your soulmate, is waiting for you, and this person will love you for what you are, what you truly are, not for what you are trying to show about yourself, guys. So you need not worry. You are attractive, beautiful, and you are a beautiful soul as you are, and you need not feel worried or feel any kind of inhibition in showing your true nature, your true personality, your true characteristics. And you need not worry that other people may not feel comfortable with you, seeing you that way. So the right person is coming towards you, and you just have to show your authentic self in any situation. Stop hiding what you truly are, and stop trying to hide out of fear for other person, guys. And today is the right time you need to do that, and you need to realize that you are attractive and beautiful as you are, and this may be the time, the right time. Your soulmate will also recognize all that is attractive in you, and they will come towards you. You just have to be what you are truly, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card, the second card. It is the Wild Swans. Dedication. So this card just means that your story is a story of sacrifice. You have done a lot. You are doing a lot of things, sacrificing yourself, maybe physically, emotionally, but your sacrifice is without recognition, and you are doing it out of love for the other person, for someone in your life. And your sacrifice, it may look like a madness to the people around you. Maybe you are not revealing the truth behind your actions. So that may be the reason. Maybe you are devoted to some task or a mission. You have that single-mindedness in your work or in the task that lies ahead of you. It may look like madness. People may see you as someone engrossed in work, not interested to communicate to others, but you are doing something for a greater purpose today, guys. So you are moving towards the greater good of someone you love, and you are going to bring a great change in others' lives, guys, other person's life. And maybe we do not appreciate the work of a scientist or a great artist when they are immersed in their work. Only when we see the final results, we know the potential of their work, and we have the evidence of uh, their skills and talents and their one single minded passion. So you are doing something like that in your situation, or there is someone doing something like that in your situation, guys. And this is not the time for being judgmental. You just have to see the truth. Maybe your actions or this person's actions may appear bizarre, but they are doing it out of love, and there may be a time coming very soon when they are going to explain things to you guys. And maybe they do not need your approval, or if it is your situation, you do not need others' approval. Maybe you are doing something for a greater good for everyone, but a time will come when you will explain your actions, or when that other person is going to explain their actions. So the time for that great breakthrough is not very far, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.